Yeah. So first, I would like to talk about my interview experience. I have been in IT for a year now, and yeah, the work was good. I am working here as a data engineer, and I was planning to change my job. So I applied at multiple places, and I interviewed for a few companies. So here I'll talk about my interview experience with Amdocs. So, as you know, that Amdocs is one of a good company, fortune company. We can say it's have more than 25,000 employees. It's in multiple countries, like more than 50 plus countries, and yeah, it's good in India too. So I applied for that, and I got a test link. So the first procedure was you have to face a test. Basically, the test consists of some programming questions. In my test, I have a one linked list based question and multiple MCQs. It could be on database, Java, and some questions on guess the output. So this was my first round. This was a test based round. So yeah, I cleared that round, and after that my interview got scheduled. So yeah, I have appeared for the technical round. It was virtual as corona, just because of the corona situation, and yeah, I appeared for the technical round. So the person who interviewed me first, she asked me about my introduction. I told her that yeah, I have completed my engineering and all, and these are the programming languages like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, and different languages. Apart from that, some basic introduction about my projects. So this is all I told her in my introduction. Then after that, she started with the interview. She asked me like how good I am in Java. So she started asking question on Java, explain about the interface, about the abstract class, why we need that, what is the difference between interface and abstract class, can you implement the example where we have a need to use interface in abstract class both, so that can be used as a practical example. Because yes, and yeah, once so she asked me to write a code for that, and after that she asked me about how good I am in data structure. So she gave a simple questions, basically used based on a map. So yeah, she gave me a question and asked me to write down the solution for that. So basically that question can be solved using the map, and she was a bit okay me using map. So yeah, I used that, and I got the answer. And after that she pasted two questions based on a map. All I have to do is to guess the output. So yeah, I kind of guessed that, and I was pretty confident with map because I am actually using in my project. So yeah, I gave her the answer, and after that she asked me whether I have worked with Spring Boot. So I said yes, and then she started asking me questions on Spring Boot, like how you can configure the ports in Spring Boot. So I already know that, so I told her there's a three ways and all. Then she asked me about the controllers, why we use controller, how we implement controller. She asked me to write the code to implement a controller for a basic example. And then she asked me about how we can create a service, and then what is HTTP protocols like get, put, post, all about this. And then she asked me to implement a database connectivity in Spring Boot. So for that, what we need to write in our application dot properties, and after that what we have to what class we have to create, what interface we need to implement, then how it will behave. So that's that all. And after that she asked me about how we can implement debugging, so like logging purpose what you have used. So I told her that I have worked with log4j. So yeah, and after that yeah, so I told her that I have used Log4j. Then she asked me about um, lambda expressions in Java. So I told her that yeah, this is how we can implement the lambda expression. It's a feature of Java and all. And yeah, so after the lambda expression, uh, she asked me how the Git, like you have used Git for any version control system. So yeah, I told her that I have used Git, Bitbucket. So she asked me some basic about the Git, how it works, and then she asked me to explain the version control system. As I was not so much confident, so I told her that I have used it. I don't have an exact idea to explain that. So okay, she seems quite okay with that, and yeah. So the interview was around for an hour, and then I asked her for how was my interview, like feedback from her side, and then yeah, that's it. And after that, I got selected, and I had to appear for the HR round. And then in HR round, HR asked some simple questions and the salary negotiation part and all. And this is how I got my second job.